ride. A ride with a loud voice, not just loud pipes, a loud voice. We ride together, we stick together, no matter what's going on in the world.
In her heart, there's a home, there's a black mark on her soul. In her hands is my heart, and she won't let go till it's scarred. Try to breathe, but I can't, 'cause the air she feeds me is damned. Got a touch like a thorn, 'cause the girl she's hiding horns.
I'm learning. I thought I'm gonna be racing pretty soon.
Hey, I'm ready. We rolling? All right. Cynthia Williams, and I am the founder of Parents Against Distracted Driving, which is a point that we pulled together from Love from Afar, the Christopher Allen Williams Foundation. Parents Against Distracted Driving is for families who's lost anyone, any loved one, to a car crash, automobile crash, motorcycle crash. I lost Christopher in 2006. When he was 17 years old, he was killed in an automobile accident. And ever since then, I've turned around and find other families who's been affected, like myself, so that we can bond. You know, the interesting part about it is I didn't really know what to do.
Do we have to necessarily wait on someone passing to do this? We were like, no.
Bikes is the thing that really brings us all together. So it's like, that's the language that we all speak, and there's like a lot of love in that language. And that's the thing about Cynthia, being around her, is she just like, she has this personality that just brings out the love in everyone.
So today, with everything going on in the world for the last year or so, I decided that I would bring everyone together for a multicultural unity ride, because on wheels, 2, 4, however you ride, there's no race, no age, and no gender. Anyone could be affected. If we unite together and show the love of the whole passion of riding.
We want to shut the city down to show society that no matter what, we're going to stick together. We want to stop traffic. We want to stop intersections. We want to show the city that we can shut things down in unity and love. My name is P.A.D.D. Williams, Jr. I am Cynthia Williams' older brother. And my position here today is to lead this multicultural unity ride that we're trying to bring everybody together in unity and love. My sister's organization, Parents Against Distracted Drivers, she's been doing this for quite some time. She has a passion for it, she has a love for it. So we started doing rides for her. We started seeing different things going on in the world with all the chaotic stuff going on. The bikers gotta have a voice, and no better way to have a voice about unity and love is to put rides together. Put rides together for whoever wants to ride. Riders are gonna stick together.
My name is Jeremy Prock. I'm part of the Mama Tried family. I run Flat Out Friday motorcycle events. There's the feel-good energy of like riding together in a pack through the center of the city. That's empowering. And there was an undeniable energy about that. We didn't know that this energy was going to be the way it was. And we seized that moment.
That just says, to me, the word is getting out. That means that people in higher positions are understanding what needs to be done, what changes need to be done, what words need to be heard, what voices need to be heard.
You know, like, if we start right here and grow, people will be a lot easier, a lot more fun, a lot wholesome.
I believe that anything that you need to say to society or to the world, if it's done in the right way, it can be positive. It can change mindsets, it can change beliefs, it can change habits. I think we're doing the right thing here. I think this is the start of something very beautiful that can go on for many, many years to come.
Particularly on this day of 2020.
Warren Heyer Jr. I'm owner of Mama Tried Motorcycle Show and Flat Out Friday motorcycle race. I drive past every single day, or go to businesses and drive past every single day that have no idea who Mama Tried is, right? So like you get pigeonholed in that little view of, yeah, we're international and there's 10,000 people come to our show and blah, 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 blah. Well, forget about everything that's really important. It's like community and people around you. Like it's way more important to be close to people in the community where everybody should hang out. Meeting all these people, Adolf and Cynthia, they're rad. They're like, I've only probably spent like 6-8 hours with them, but like, I go to war with them. They're just real people that I enjoy hanging around with. Think about that. It needs to start from within and like radiate with people close to you, people that impact you every day. That's how it works. That's the magic of it.
My name is Scott Johnson. I'm one of the co-founders of Mama Tried Show and Flat Out Friday. Well, Unity Ride, it's a new thing. It's a unique time, and so it's a perfect time to like start figuring this stuff out. The people that we're meeting are like really making a big influence on us, and expanding the world. The motorcycle world is like, it's just what we live and breathe every day. I don't know, it brings emotions out in me that I haven't felt in a really long time. And so like today was kind of that. Because we all love the same thing, and it's like you start talking about bikes, it's like we all have the same vocabulary, we all have the same points of reference. And it's like when we all just like, you start talking and it's like, yeah. So that's what's awesome. So I think it's just a super cool thing, and I'm just all about it.
We unite together and show the love of the whole passion of riding.
A ride with a loud voice, not just loud pipes. A loud voice.